blue and gold macaw belongs to the Ara genus within the parrot family. Native to South America, it thrives in tropical rainforests, swamps and riverbanks, particularly in countries like Brazil, Venezuela, Peru and Colombia. This bird is part of the larger macaw group, known for their large size, long tails and powerful beaks. And a physical description. The blue and gold macaw is a large bird measuring about 30 to 36 inches, 76 to 91 centimeters in length and weighing between 900 to 1,300 grams. Its body is brilliantly colored with vivid blue feathers on the back, wings and tail, while the chest and underparts are a rich golden yellow. The beak is large, black and exceptionally strong, capable of cracking nuts and bark with ease. Their facial skin is white and bare, often showing small lines of tiny black feathers. This macaw is renowned for its high intelligence. It can learn to mimic words, recognize objects and even solve simple puzzles. Blue and gold macaws have strong problem-solving skills and are known to develop deep emotional bonds with their human caregivers. Social in nature, they usually live in pairs or small flocks in the wild. They engage in mutual grooming, vocalizing, and coordinated flight, which strengthens their social bonds. When kept as pets from a young age, they often form a close attachment to their human family. In the wild, blue and gold macaws feed on a variety of seeds, fruits, nuts, leaves, and occasionally small insects. As pets, they require a balanced diet consisting of fresh fruits, vegetables, specially formulated parrot pellets, and occasional treats like unsalted nuts. Given their high energy levels, a nutrient-rich diet is essential for their health. Reproduction. Blue and gold macaws are monogamous and often mate for life. The breeding season typically occurs during spring. They nest in tree cavities where the female lays 2 to 4 eggs. The incubation period lasts around 24 to 28 days. After hatching, the chicks are blind and featherless and rely entirely on their parents for nourishment and care. Natural habitat and distribution. These birds are commonly found in the Amazon basin, especially near riverbanks and forest canopies. They inhabit lowland forests, marshlands, and savannas where they can travel miles in search of food. Their strong wings and social flying habits help them navigate vast forest regions with ease. While the blue and gold macaw is not currently endangered, its population faces threats from habitat destruction, illegal pet trade, and deforestation. Logging and land conversion for agriculture have significantly reduced their natural habitats. Many governments and wildlife organizations are taking steps to protect these birds through conservation programs, awareness campaigns, and trade restrictions under international agreements like CITES. Blue and gold macaws are among the most popular pet parrots due to their beauty, sociability, and intelligence. They can mimic human speech, understand routines, and even exhibit distinct personalities. However, owning one is a long-term commitment. They require daily mental stimulation, physical exercise, and constant interaction. Without proper attention, they may develop behavioral issues such as screaming, feather plucking, or aggression. They also need a large, enriching environment with toys, perches, and space to move freely. Interesting facts. 1. Long lifespan. These parrots can live 50 years or more in captivity, with some reaching over 70 years. 2. Vocal mimicry. They are excellent mimics and can replicate human speech with clarity. Macaws are known for forming lifelong pair bonds with their mates. 4. Powerful beak. Their beak is strong enough to crack open hard nuts like Brazil nuts. 5. Loud call. Their call is extremely loud and can be heard up to a mile away in the wild.